Hi guys, it's Blackie, and today I'd like to say a thank you that's long overdue. I was at Georgia Bushcraft, I believe it was this past spring, and was talking to a gentleman in a booth, and I picked up a piece of gear, and I wanted to give him credit when I showed it. However, I lost the name. Blackie had a gray moment. It's late in the day and the hair is gray, guys. And I just flat out and out lost it. And I didn't want to do it without giving the gentleman credit. So, to Sparrow Bushcraft, thank you. What this is a piece of waxed canvas. Miss me? And it's got a pattern on one side and on the other side it's just plain waxed. This is a folding thing to put into your haversack for a dry place. If you're doing a lot in wet environments and stuff and you need to process your tinder and etc. to be able to make a fire and etc. and you just simply don't have a dry something to do it on, this is it. That way you can open this up, lay it down, and have a dry place to do it. It's also, I need a place to just put my knee down right quick, or I need to sit down. I can put my butt on this right quick. I need to, whatever to put an elbow on. Something where I don't want to get wet, dirty, or whatever for this little bitty 5-second job. That's where this is. I can pull this out and real quickly use it as a tinder processor, where I can take this and set it down and process all the tinder, and all those little fine giblets will fall on here. So I can then make a V out of it and pour it back into the very center of my bird nest. Things like that. It's got 1,001 uses. It's one of those things that, yes, a bandana does the job, but a bandana won't keep my knee from getting wet when I have to kneel down to do something right quick. It won't keep my butt dry when I have to sit on that wet log for just a second to take a rest. This is something I can pull quick and easy out of the haversack, sit down on, utilize whatever, and put it back. How about a clean place to process something to eat? There you go. It's just a nice handy piece of gear, and I've enjoyed mine, but I haven't been able to give the guy credit. And so, to the gentleman at Sparrow Bushcraft, thank you very much. Hope you've enjoyed this content, guys. If you have, please hit that like, share, and subscribe button. Until next time, guys, I'm Blackie wishing you safe journeys. Have a great day, guys.